base, Emma. Overrunning it, Jackie. That's a good
Nice
kick.
job, Kylie. Oh,
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it out there. What did we do yesterday? I gave you a great example of what you should be doing, right? And then you got great feedback off of it because you were successful. So what should you be working on? Look at it. Now, where's it facing? Is it facing up or is it facing me? Oh. Come on, come on. Tough ball.
Sonia.
All right, ball check.